In this guided inquiry, we will investigate how to use a dichotomous key to help identify a tree by its leaves. To perform this investigation, students can simply use the page in their books with the dichotomous key. However, you may wish to collect real leaves for this exercise if, in your region, you are able to collect some of the kinds of leaves pictured in the book. The leaves should be labeled Leaf A, Leaf B, Leaf C, Leaf D, Leaf E, and Leaf F. Now you're ready to explain to students what to do. Step 1. For purposes of this demonstration, we've made a copy of the page in your book. Use the classification chart to help classify and identify the leaves. Step 2. Start at the top of the classification chart. Look at the question in the first diamond-shaped box. Is the leaf wide or very narrow? Only leaf D is very narrow. The classification chart shows that leaf D is from a pine tree. Record its identity in the identification chart. The 5 remaining leaves are classified as wide. We will continue on with these 5. Because we've identified leaf D, the rest of the classification chart does not apply to leaf D, and we've covered it up. In the second diamond-shaped box, the question is the leaf made up of many small parts or only one part? Of these 5 leaves, only leaf E is made up of many small parts. The chart shows that leaf E is from a Kentucky coffee tree. The 4 remaining leaves each have only one part. Step 3. Continue on with the 4 remaining leaves, leaves A, B, C, and F. For clarity, you may wish to cover up leaf E. Continue on down the classification chart to identify the remaining leaves. You can expect that students will classify and identify leaves from different trees using their dichotomous key. Leaf A is a maple leaf. Leaf B is a beech leaf. Leaf C is an aspen leaf. Leaf D is from a pine tree. Leaf E is from a Kentucky coffee tree. And leaf F is from a bur oak tree. How could you use a chart to classify a group of animals? Students may generate additional questions like this one. These questions can be used to help them learn more about classification. You may use this activity as a model to help children make a plan for further investigation.